Welcome to episode number 11. And this is our Locking Fundamentals series, and today we'll be working on the Scooby Walk. In case you didn't know, I'm Ceech. I teach and I make dance tutorial videos. If my videos are helpful and you would like to support the channel, just send me $1 million. Or click the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Ooh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for instant notification when I post. Now, my tutorials are dance along videos, which means you can practice along with me while you watch. Each video has multiple drills, and each drill is about a minute. It's not too long, but enough to build muscle control and strengthen your rhythm. My challenge to you is to try to keep up with me throughout the entire drills. Now, if you can't do it at first, try again tomorrow, because this takes time and patience. Now, for my explanations and the tips on each drill, make sure to watch the video all the way through towards the end of the video so you don't miss out on the specific technique that I have so that you can avoid some of the common pitfalls or mistakes. All right, now if you're ready, put your dancing shoes on. I'll see you in the drill. Enjoy, have fun, and don't forget to make it funky. First drill. Today we're talking about the Scooby Walk. For those of you who don't know the Scooby Doo, it's in episode 6. Go check that out first, because this to me is the next evolution or built upon the Scooby Doo. This is the Scooby Walk, and also later drill we're going to be adding the Scooby Doo as well. So make sure you hit that one first. Now, the first drill, we want to make sure we focus on the bottom half, okay, the leg. So first thing we do, kick on the 1 and 2. Slowing that down on the end, turn it to sideways. Kick on the 1 and. At the same time, so it's not this. I've seen too many students of mine in the past where they go 1 and. So they put the leg down and then they pick it up. It can't happen one after another. It has to happen together, simultaneously. So it's 1 and, okay? So the moment that this leg, my right leg goes down, the left knee goes up at the same time. Also on the 1, when I do it slow, I might not jump it, but I want you to jump it. 1, see that 1? Instead of just 1. One more time, look at this leg here, my left leg right here. 1, you see that hop? At the same time I kick, I want you to do that. So it's 1 and, okay? So make sure you get that 1 and. Now on the 2, this is your turnout, like a plie. For the ballet dancers, the plie, the turnout, okay? So we're going right to the 2. On the 2 is our turnout. So we have 1 and 2. And the way I turn out for this drill, it really doesn't matter, but for now, to make it everything the same, I'm pivoting on the heel of my feet. So I'm going 1 and right on the 2, I'm pivoting here, boom, I'm down on the 2, okay? I've seen it where we go 1 and 2, where we pivot on the ball of your feet. For this drill right now, it doesn't matter which way you pivot, as long as you end up in this position, where your feet are out, you're turning out in that plie position, all right? And also, I want you to punch down on the 2, okay? So I don't want you to be like this. You shouldn't be upright on the 2. It looks too stiff. Get it down on the 2, okay? But on the 1, you are up. 1 and 2. 2, you're down, okay? So we repeat that. We have 1 and 2 and. That's the key right there, okay? I see many of my beginning students mess up because they hold that 2 for too long. This is what I mean. 1 and 2, and then right there, they try to kick from there versus 1 and 2 and. There's that 2 and. This is your preparation for the 3, okay? So very important that you guys drill that. Do it slow. This is not an easy move, all right? Make sure you guys got this. Go back to the move. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, okay? So we'll stop at 4 right now, but in our drill, we keep going. We go to 8, we go to 8, we just keep going. Make sure you know how to keep that going, all right? So again, we're focusing in this drill right now, focus on just the bottom half. We're gonna cut the arms later. Right now, focus on the legs. Be able to do it with me. Rewind the drill or do it as I speak, because I got these 2 videos playing on the side, so keep doing it. Obviously, if you're tired, take a break and jump back on. The idea is to drill becomes second nature, all right? I'm gonna do it one time with you guys. A little bit faster, tempo for 1 8 count. 5, 6, 7. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. All right, good. Hopefully you guys have that down. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments below. Right now, we're still a small channel. I get to see all the comments. In a few years, who knows? If it's too big, if I can't get to everybody, be patient with me. You could always, for anyone who has Instagram, you guys can hit me up on Instagram. I answer those all the time. It is Dance with Ceech, or Facebook. Add me on Facebook, Dance with Ceech, all right? Right now, trying to get these dance vocabularies down so you guys can have it, so you guys know exactly what I'm talking about when I say the Scooby Walk. This is it, all right? Okay, guys, see you in drill number 2. Drill number 2, we are going to add our arms in here, okay? I know that I separated because so many times in my past when I teach this, try to do the arms and leg together at the same time, it's just too confusing for a lot of people. So that's why I want you to make sure that you got drill number 1 down pretty good. I want you to be pretty confident before you come here. Now, we're going to add the arms, okay? Arms by itself is really simple. It's just this here, okay? Just like the Scooby-Doo. So if you've done the Scooby-Doo, this move should be easier, okay? So here we go. Let's do it with the arms. 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, right? I stopped at 4, but I could just carry on to 8 as well. Side view, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Again, notice the and, all right? The problem, and here's a lot of pitfall. You guys, if you actually did this, you would see it's 1 and. On the and, the problem, a lot of you guys, if you actually try it, you would go 1 and. You switch your arms too quick. So the arm has to be patient. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So on the and, the arms do not move. You have to be very patient with the arms, okay? I guarantee you, about 95% of you guys mess up on the arms, because I know I did. I know all of my students, when they first tried to do this, they did. But that's okay. That's a great way. And you know you're on the right path, because you can get it, and you all got it eventually. Okay? So keep practicing. Hold one and, right? On the end, don't go one and, arms don't move on the end. Tell yourself that over and over again. So you practice slow. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, okay? All right, I've done this probably millions and millions of times before, so that's why it looks a little bit easier for me. If you did the same as me, it would look the same as you, all right? Okay, so that's drill number 2, and that's basically the heart, the core, the meat of the Scooby Walk. When you have that down, you could take the Scooby Walk and transition to other moves, all right? One key note I want you guys to try to do, I can't really do that much here because of the space issue. Scooby Walk is a transitional move, transition from one place to another. So, I'm gonna show you quickly. I'm gonna start back here. I'm gonna use the Scooby Walk to get up closer to you, okay? So, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So you see how it travels. So it's a traveling move, 1 and 2. So when I kick, I can go forward, okay? That's eventually, okay? I just want to drop that seed in your head so you guys understand. For the choreographers out there, for the dancers who maybe you dance with some friends, maybe you have a crew that you want to dance with, a talent show or something that's coming up, you could be creative. Use this as transition, okay? As you guys saw in Janet Jackson's Rhythm Nation, they use this move to do almost like a marching band formation change. It's really, really cool, okay? So take that, create it, and do whatever you want with it. And make sure you're doing it the right way. Obviously, it has to be on beat, okay? The challenge for you guys though is, because we start with the right leg, do the same thing for the left leg. You gotta be ambidextrous, all right? Okay, if you have it down already, you want a little bit challenge, go to drill number 3. This is where we're gonna incorporate Scooby Walk into another move. See you there. Okay guys, for this drill, we're incorporating the Scooby Walk right into the Scooby Doo, okay? So you gotta remember the Scooby Doo here. Think of the Scooby Doo as like a period at the end of a sentence. You know what I mean? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a good little right there, stop, okay? So if you have in a piece of music where it's a nice end of a sentence, put a Scooby-Doo right there, okay? So, that's what we're working on. And the first 6, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, we've done it in drill 2. And then 7 and 8 is just the Scooby-Doo. And 7 and 8, which is what we did in episode 6. For those that still haven't done it, go check it out. Make sure you practice that, all right? So, let's do this one slow together. From the 1, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. One thing I did add and I did not mention, which I'm going to mention now, is that funky neck movement. All right. And again, for those that don't know the neck movement, go to my body movement series. It's the first episode where we're training the neck. All right. I didn't want to add that in right away because that's another thing that you have to think about. But once you have this, add the neck. It looks much better, or funkier, because there's more movement more movement going on, it just makes it really cool. Like a part of the locking movement, locking tradition, making it fun. All right? Cool, guys. Hope you guys have fun with this. Learn, practice it. If you're done with the right side, go back, do the left side. Do it with me, okay? Just watch the video and do the opposite side, okay? Because I know I train the other side. Now, I don't even know which side is my weak side because I train both sides as much as the other side. So, hopefully you guys learned a lot. Hopefully you guys have fun with this Scooby Walk. Practice a lot, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.